Hello guys, this is Satim and today in this video I'm going to tell you how to make Twitter account. So guys, before starting this video, I want to, if this is your first time watching one of our videos, then please make sure to subscribe and just press the bell icon. So guys, now let's begin. So guys, first you need to open Twitter. Now you need to click here on your logo, then you need to click here. Now you can see these two options. So in the top you can see create a new account, so click on it. So guys, now you need to enter your name. So guys, here you can use email or your phone number. So I'm going to use here my phone number. Next, you need to enter your birthday date. Next, you need to click on next. Now you need to click on next. Now here you can see your account details. Then you need to click on sign up. Then you need to click on OK. So guys, next you need to go to your message app, and here you can see this code. So you need to copy this code and you need to paste this code over here. So guys, next you need to click on next. You need to click on next. And then you need to upload a photo. Next you need to click on apply. Then you need to click on next. Next you need to type your description or bio here. Next you need to click on next. So guys, it's all done. Now you need to click on OK. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching this video guys, and still if you haven't subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe and just press the bell icon and follow us on all these social media, and don't forget to visit these two websites. So guys, see you soon. For now, bye bye.